Hey, Auntie, how are you?
Okay.
Yeah, I was calling you to share some exciting news. Are you ready? Are you there?
Okay. I am.
So today at school, you remember I told you we were having the 65th celebration today at school?
Yes.
And so while we're in the celebration, we found out there was a guest from California from the Milken Foundation here to celebrate excellence for teachers.
Okay.
And they were going to select a teacher, and the selected teacher is like a lot of perks. One of the perks is spending a week with other Milken scholars, and then we get financial stipend of like $25,000. And they were going to pick one teacher from Pittsboro Elementary School. And they
chose you?
out of the whole state of North Carolina. I left that part out, and they were just here to pick someone, and they picked someone, and it was me.
Oh my
And so right now you're on speakerphone, and like there's a whole circle of people listening.
Oh, Shane, I'm so proud of you. Oh,
I'm speechless.
goodness. Shane, are you kidding me?
It was very unreal at first. Like I'm like, did they really just say Shane Henderson? And then my kids came and ran up, and like were giving me hugs, and it was very.
Oh,
Yeah.
Shane, I am so proud of you. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
And I know how hard you have worked and everything that you've been through and still excelled despite all that. I could not be more proud of you.
I appreciate it.
I'm so
Yeah, I'm very emotional right now because all I can think about is Papa.
I know. Oh my God, they would both be so incredibly, they are both so incredibly proud of you. Oh my God, you know what? It is so amazing to me because I was thinking of Daddy with the holidays, and I was thinking of Daddy coming to work, and so somehow I must have intuited that something phenomenal was happening. But honey, I am so proud of you. Just soak it in.
Yeah.
What I want to know is, are you going to be in the newspaper?
I think we may take it a step above the newspaper, probably like national news.
Oh, Shane! My God.
Yeah. So be on the lookout.
Okay, I love you.
I love you more.
We love you, Shane.
Hey, everybody. I love you, honey.
All right, I love you more.
Okay.
I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.